All right, people, Mr. Right here with lesson 4.5 for the tuba. Yeah, the heavy metal. In this lesson, you're going to discover that it looks a lot like lesson 3 did. Well, it's actually the same lesson, except now instead of just using the mouthpiece, we're using the entire tuba with a mouthpiece. Remember when you put that mouthpiece in, slide it in, slight twist, and you're good to go. No popping. All right, so here comes number 1 out of this. And you remember, you want to spread your teeth and lips as you play. You don't want to mash your lips together. You don't ever do it. Just be able to put your thumb between your teeth and your lips. That's how far apart it should be. That's the low pitch that we're going to play. So looking at the screen here, we got your low, let me fix my mouse real quick. You got your low B flat. It's going to last for 4 beats. In your mind, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. Then you play the F, the upper pitch, by firming your lips up against the teeth and arcing the back of the tongue, making the air pass over the tongue faster, causing your lips to buzz faster. And of course, the flexing of the lips against the teeth. So let's try number 1 with a metronome. I've got my metronome set at 90 beats per minute. Here's number 1. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. All right, I've got to rotate a little bit. It's hard for me to see. There we go. All right, so, and also, it's a little bit different tonguing on the tuba. I explained in an earlier lesson to tongue by going like you'd say ta 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 or tu tu tu, but you're really almost tonguing between your teeth, like really for this low pedal, B flat especially. So you may want to experiment with that. So number 2, we start off with a whole note, B flat, and then 2 half notes and different combinations of that. We've been over this before with just the mouthpiece, so this should sound very familiar to you. Ready, number 2. 1, 2, 3. Ran out of air. Sorry about that. Then number 3, we're going to go ta for 2 beats because that's a half note. Only 2 beats of sound, half note rest, 2 beats of silence. Let's try number 3 now. Got to get a little bit closer to my mouse. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Then number 4, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. All right. Number 5, quarter notes. They get 1 beat apiece. Ta, 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 ta. Then 4 beats of rest. Each one of these quarter note rests gets 1 beat apiece. Let me get a better grip on this. Never hold a tuba with just one hand unless you happen to be writing a band method book. Ready? Here we go. Number 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. And then number 6, just different combinations. A whole note for 4 beats, 2 quarter notes, 1 beat apiece, then a half note. Ready? Number 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, And by the way, never just blow. Never just go like that. Make sure you begin each note with the tongue because it helps to get the lips vibrating at that particular frequency that you're trying to hit. Number 7, right here, 2 quarter notes on a low B flat, and a 1, 2, 3. And then finally, what should be number 8, right? So number 8, and a 1, 1, 2, 3. Rest. Now, another important thing to remember when playing on the tuba with the mouthpiece, make sure you don't move your jaw. Don't go twa, 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 because that gets a chewing, nasty sound that you don't want. So always make sure the jaw is very stable on any instrument that you play. So, it's good to keep 2 hands on your tuba. All right, you have a nice day. That should get you going on lesson 4.5 for the tuba.